Welcome. I'm Tony Constantine, an investment advisor representative with Lifemark Securities Corp. This week, our discussion is about Bob Farrell's Rules for Investors, Rule number 6. I've heard a lot of people over the years complain about losing money, and I often wonder why. They wonder why as well. Now, I know we've had the conversation in prior video series, like the one on investor behavior, but I think rule number 6 from Bob Farrell sums it up pretty well and very succinctly, and that's why I think that is perhaps the most important rule for us to remember as we go through life and invest. Bob Farrell's rule number 6: fear and greed are stronger than long-term resolve. And if you think about it, that's pretty much all that has to be said, isn't it? Actually, a bit more has to be said. You see, when people become stressed, they tend to make emotional decisions rather than rational decisions. And right now, who isn't stressed, particularly about money? So, when viewing this rule, you have to avoid making emotional decisions and make rational decisions. And being an advisor, that's part of my job, is to tell you that. Emotions normally rule the market, and that's why people aren't as successful as they'd like to be. And we want you to be as successful as you possibly can. So, in that regard, you have to watch out so that you avoid emotional decisions, stick to your plan, and make rational decisions. Please be sure to sign up for the webinar, because if you don't sign up, you can't get on and you can't get the materials that you need to make the webinar useful and productive for you. So I can't emphasize much more than sign up for the webinar. That way you can get all the materials that will make it work for you. Secondly, come back next week for rule number 7. Until then, make every day a great day.